Hey guys, we just pulled up for a couple of days down here at Wye River on the Great Ocean Road. A beautiful day outside, sun's up, cracking day, and even the ducks are hanging around. But while we're here, we just do a little bit of making amends on the van and just doing a few little do-it-yourself thingos. I ducked into Bunnings. I bought one of these Arlic 200 aluminum sensor floodlights. Right, it has a 6 metre range detection. It's got a 120 degree arc angle and it's an IP44 weatherproof rating, so it doesn't matter if it's out in the weather or not. Roz has just asked me what the price was. To be honest with you, I can't remember, but it would have been no more than $20. Right, they were fairly cheap. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to stick it on the side here. You've got to make sure you've got no wires behind. I'm just going to stick it on here so that if we go out and we're away longer than what we thought and we come back and we don't have the lights on, well, we've got a sensor light to be able to put our key in the slot. Also, if it comes on at night time, if there's people walking around your van, it might just scare them and deter them a little bit. Anyway, this is what it looks like. So you got the little light in there, you got a solar panel on here, so it runs on solar. On the back you have an on-off switch, and the holes are 54 millimeters apart. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to screw straight through here and here and screw it straight onto there. Alright, what you can do is come down a little bit and put two holes, and then you can see these, you can actually slip it on so that it's not permanently bolted to your wall. But I don't need to take it off for any particular reason. If I do, I'll just unscrew it, throw it in the bin and put a new one on if need be. It comes with the little placky bits to put into your wall, and then your screws just go straight into it. I'm not going to worry about the placky bits because I never do anything right. That's why it's Dodgy Dave's do it yourself. And it comes with two screws. So you just need a drill. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pre-drill some holes, just so it's a little bit easier. Okay, I just drilled two little holes. Also, I didn't hit any wires, otherwise I would have electrocuted myself. I wish I had a few extra hands. Awesome. Alright, there we have it. Oh, one sensor light. Just don't do what I did. Alright, I've put that on there as a trial run. Make sure you turn the on-off button to on, which is what I didn't do. And I'm about to do that now. So on the back here, you have an on-off button. It is in the off position, as it says off. Push it across to the on position, it is now on. And there you have it. One sensor light installed, do it yourself, by Dodgy Dave. Now what we'll do is we'll wait till night time. When it comes on, I'll show you what it's actually like. In the meantime, if you've got nothing better to do, jump onto www.justbrilliantadventures.com.au and check out our merch. I'm wearing one of the shirts as we speak. We have different colours and different sizes, different designs. Jump on there, check them out, and grab one. Help support us. Thanks, guys.
So the sensor light is off now. I'm sitting on a chair very, very still. As soon as I get up, it will come on. And there we have it. Sensor light.